On the 6th of August, last Friday, there was a Security Council briefing on the situation in Afghanistan. Deborah Lynn, the special representative for Afghanistan, briefed all members of the Security Council. Today, the Prime Minister chaired a meeting to review the rapidly changing situation in Afghanistan. In our view, Pakistan should have been invited to this briefing. Why? Because we are not only direct neighbors of Afghanistan, we have suffered the most after Afghanistan. We are also one of the biggest stakeholders in peace and stability in Afghanistan, and have been facilitating the peace process in Afghanistan. We made a formal request to be present there. Unfortunately, it was not accepted. At the time of India assuming the presidency of the Security Council for the month of August, we had reminded India to act objectively, but unfortunately, a country aspiring for a permanent seat in the Security Council did not behave in the manner that was befitting of that responsibility. By not acceding to Pakistan's request to brief the Security Council, India has been, in our view, in breach of its obligation as President of the Security Council.